In the 1400s, the printing press was extremely disruptive to the church, to the flow of information, to all kinds of things. There were people that resisted it. The modern day parallel, in my opinion, is LLMs and AI and their disruptive effect on the way that society functions now, the way that development is done, the way that reading and documentation is done. Any of those computer-only jobs are going to change because of AI. Just like any reading and intellectual jobs changed because of the printing press, the two have some real similar parallels. The printing press was fought heavily by a large faction of people, specifically the church because they wanted to keep information secure, the monarchy because they wanted to keep their power controlled, their power consolidated in themselves. I think that we're going to see a lot of that in the towers or the isolated areas where people do things that computers can do with a little bit of training. I think that we're going to see that same resistance. In fact, I'm already seeing it in a lot of the things that I do and the interactions that I have with people. I have spent a lot of my career in automation where I would program robots. I would design industrial automation lines that would take manual processes and automate them to, one, make them faster and make the company more efficient and profitable so the company could actually compete in the US with cheaper labor rates everywhere else. Or just because they needed to improve the speed at which they put product out without hiring more people, because people just couldn't do it fast enough or efficiently enough. So in my career, I have always been in the job of replacing people. So I early on came to terms with technology replaces people, people find other things to do. It is not a bad cycle, it's just a cycle. AI and LLMs are a massive move forward in that same realm where computers are replacing people, people are then moving to other things to move forward and do different types of jobs. There have been several companies I've read articles about recently that have not hired people because AI wasn't used by everybody, or they fired people and replaced them with AI. And those type of early adopters right now are really struggling with the removal of people, but a measured transitional approach that's well thought out where you take people and you infuse their job with AI, especially in the software industry or any sort of computer-based business-to-business industry, infusing those people and infusing their jobs with AI will help them become more efficient and get more done and leave people with more free time. Just like the printing press, for the people in the late 1400s, early 1500s, as they struggled through the mass adoption of the printing press, we are going to have to struggle through the mass adoption of AI and LLMs into business software and into software in general and into society. It's going to struggle for a while, but I think we're going to come out happier on the other side. Just like with the printing press, we're going to distribute power to more people, distribute knowledge to more people. I think it's very, very interesting time to live. And as quite a few of my friends are often fond of me saying, may you live in interesting times. It's an interesting statement to look up.